So in this sector, particularly, I will request all of you that if you can convert this and making their petrol engine, either it is on petrol or ethanol, it can be a flex engine, it will be really a great thing for the country. This is my request to all of you. I don't know, but in this particular subject, I am not satisfied that industry is not giving the cooperation. In the USA, in the Brazil and Canada, all these companies which are all present in India, they have flex engine. There is a choice with the consumer. Either they can use ethanol or petrol, 100%. So this is going to very much helpful to Indian economy, because ethanol is from agriculture, it's a green fuel, and which is going to reduce the pollution. So in this sector, particularly, I will request all of you that if you can convert this and making their petrol engine, either it is on petrol or ethanol, it can be a flex engine, it will be really a great thing for the country. I am giving my special thanks to TVS and Bajaj for manufacturing scooter running on 100% bioethanol fuel. Our idea is to open ethanol pumps in the country and where we can use this. The government is constantly taking efforts for production of bioethanol. Ecology and environment is very important. Without that, it is very difficult for survival. Now in the Delhi area, Punjab, Haryana, from that rice straw, popularly known as parali, we have successfully converted parali, 5 ton of parali to get 1 ton of bio-CNG. We can convert biomass into bioethanol also. So these are the success story now. And already I have just got information from one of the company that they converted their machine, construction equipment machinery on CNG. So my suggestion is conversion on CNG, LNG is very important. Use of diesel is really a big problem for the country. You know that every time I insist for it, because the ecology and environment is very important for the country. For the benefit of the sector, the government has developed a portal, Aspire, automotive solution portal for industry, research and education, to facilitate the industry to become self-reliant by assisting in innovation and adoption of global technological advancement by bringing together to stakeholders from various associate avenues. One thing I will request you, when I see these trucks and buses on the road, I am very much disturbed. I don't know what is the problem, but the quality and the standards and the code which we are taking is not good. We should think about buses also.